So let's talk to Chukwuma Anyanwu now as we focus on the state of the markets, and we're particularly focusing on what's shaping stock investor sentiments at the moment. Chukwuma is the head of research at GTI Securities. So good morning to you, Chukwuma.
Good morning, Harriet.
So let's get you to weigh in on the conversation and answer that question for us. What actually is shaping stock investor sentiments? Yesterday, we still saw the market finishing off in negative territory. The all-share index is down below 26,000 psychological level, as well as the market capitalization.
Well, it's not far-fetched. We've seen very soft economic numbers coming up. Inflation is still uptrending at 18.3%, which clearly shows that there is still some pressure on disposable income, and we're winding down towards the end of the year. A lot of expenditure. People would be looking at, pulling money out of investments and putting them into, consumer spending is expected to increase. So I think those are largely the sentiments shaping investors' buy decisions or sell decisions, as the case may be. So it's not far-fetched. We've seen very, very soft economic numbers. That high level of inflation or the uptrending inflation is clearly still a worry, and that clearly has an impact on disposable income for investors.
Do you think there'll be an easing in sell pressure today? Yesterday, across the board, all the indices witnessed serious bargain hunting by investors. We only saw penny stocks doing well on the best performance list. What do you expect the market to shape up to today? How do you expect it to play out, giving us your outlook and expectations for the market?
I still expect sell pressure to persist, particularly in the large cap companies. But we are also going to be expecting the MPC coming up very soon. I think towards the end of this month, the last MPC for the year will take place. And I think that will also have a lot of bearing on how investors will play out the rest of the year. So yes, I still expect sell pressure going into for the better part of this week. I think that we will still see more reactions from investors with reactions to the soft numbers from inflation. And I think the next thing that will largely play out and shape investors' mindset will be how MPC decision plays out.
Chukwuma Anyanwu, head of research at GTI Securities, thank you so much for joining me on the program this morning and, of course, sharing your perspectives with us.
Thanks for having me, Harriet.
And that's where we anchor on today's edition of the program. Many thanks for spending time with us. I'm Harriet Agbenyi. Don't forget you can watch a repeat of all of our programs on youtube.com/channels/business morning. Do have a profitable day.